What is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's quick video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my new brake setup that came in, that we've had actually for quite some time, but we never got to installing it. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon up top. Hopefully for you OGs out there, you guys noticed that the channel is going through some changes. We got a new banner on the top, and we got a new icon as well. So let me know what you guys think of that, but that's gonna be the way we're going. If you guys will be interested in the future for some merch, leave comments below, because we could do something with merch as well, some keychains. So let me know, and let's get back to the video. All right guys, here we have the Nakamoto Power Series brake kit. Now I bought this on Amazon last November during the Black Friday sale, and I bought this kit dirt cheap, probably under $60. Now this comes with high quality parts. It is zinc coated, it is cross drilled, it is slotted. So overall it has all the quality parts. What I was really surprised is that these rotors didn't have grease all over them. Usually when I bought generic cheap brakes, they had a bunch of oil on the rotor itself. Usually they do this so it doesn't rust up while it's in storage. But again, because these are zinc coated, the zinc coating actually helps prevent rust and corrosion from building up. That's probably why it is not necessary to oil them and grease them up. So as you guys can see, these things look good. You got the slots, you got the drills. They really look good, and the semi-metallic pads should be a little bit more aggressive, which will help me stop. Because my 8th gen Civic only has rotors up front and drums in the back, I'll need that extra stopping power. Guys, I'm really excited to install these brakes. Again, they're semi-metallic compared to the ceramics on the vehicle. I'm curious how well they will stop the car. There are many options out there: ceramic, semi-metallic, metallic. Some of them are even carbon ceramic right now. So I'm curious. Hopefully they don't squeak too much. And if you guys are interested in these brakes as well for your vehicle, this company makes it for all kinds of vehicles. There's gonna be an affiliate link in the description below. So go ahead, click on that. Go ahead, get you some Nakamoto brakes.